Welcome to a quick demo of the Change Champions and Agents Network tool in the OCMS Portal. You can access the tool from Phase 1 Assess. The purpose of this tool is to assess and manage Change Champions and Agents. It also provides you with an auto-generated coaching plan. When you first open the tool, you'll see that the system pre-populates it based on anyone in your target audience you've tagged as a champion stakeholder type. For more details on how to do that, watch the tutorial video for the target audience. If you'd like to change the individuals populated into the tool, just make another choice and click Regenerate. 3 key metrics are gathered in this tool to generate a risk level. A high risk level indicates more intensive engagement is needed to align the change champion or agent with the needs of the project. The 3 metrics are enthusiasm, experience, and availability. There are 2 ways to populate these metrics into the tool. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the change champion. The second is to use the built-in survey. Just click Send a Survey at the top. You'll be taken to the survey template for the change champion assessment. Once the 3 metrics are scored, you'll see a coaching plan. This is generated by the system automatically to save you time and guide you. The coaching plan gives you detailed recommendations customized to that individual's assessment. Just click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. Right above the assessment area, you'll see a link to view champions for impacted groups. This will show you a holistic view of where all your champions are located across the organization. You can also use it to easily identify where champions are missing. Another handy feature is the Suggested Number of Champions calculator. Enter the number of impacted individuals, calculate, and receive a suggested number of champions. The outputs of the Change Champion and Agents tool provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of your champions network and helps the change management team understand how to best support them. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Change Champions Network tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.